This is a 2005 Toyota Sienna minivan. The mileage is 172,000 miles. The problem was that the car shakes when accelerating when the speed is above 40 miles per hour. I replaced the passenger side CV axle and that fixed the vibration problem. It took me a day to have the job done. Most of that time was spent on removing the stock CV axle. So I want to show you the way I figured out eventually, and hopefully it will help you save some time. This is the old passenger side CV axle I already removed. You can see the rust here. It was inside the support bearing bracket. It is the most difficult job to remove it from the stock support bearing bracket. I have seen people use saw to cut it. Someone uses fire to heat it. That is either dangerous or unnecessary. I have tried some CV axle removal tools and they just don't have this level of impact needed. So here is what I did. I removed the passenger side wheel, removed the brake and rotor, loosened the steering knuckle by removing two lower strut bolts. All this is to get the CV axle out of the wheel bearing. You can find a lot of videos on how to do this, and I'm not going to repeat it here. I just want to show the most difficult job to get the stock CV axle out. Here is where you need to hit to get the CV axle out. The idea is to use some kind of tool you can apply lots of impact on it. It's just hard to do anything when you are under the car. So the idea is to use something long enough and you can just hit it without being under the car. This is what I found that worked for me. Is a U-shaped steel fence post. You can buy it from Home Depot or Lowe's for a few bucks. I found this 4-foot one in my garden and it worked. I think a 5-foot one will be even better. It fits in here perfectly. You just hit the other end. That's it. Hope it will help you a little bit. Thank you.